Mr. Gonzalez has only $42.50 to spend at a clothing store. He wants to buy a shirt that costs $29, including tax, and some bracelets that cost $4.50 each, including tax. Write an equation to determine X, the maximum number of bracelets Mr. Gonzalez could buy and solve. So this is a word problem where you should write an equation including at least one variable, and you are required to solve for what the variable is equal to. Here, Mr. Gonzalez needs to determine how many bracelets he could buy with the amount of money he has to spend. So the first step you want to do is write your equation that you would solve for x. The number with the variable should be $4.50 since each bracelet costs $4.50. You are trying to figure out how many bracelets Mr. Gonzalez can buy. The equation should look something like this. 29 plus 450 x equals 4250. Next, you should use the inverse operation, which is the opposite operation, to the number without the variable next to it. This means that you should subtract 29 from 29, which cancels out because it equals 0. You should subtract it from 4250 as well. This is equal to 13.50. Now you should have the equation in 450 x equals 1350. The next step you should do is cancel out the number with the variable next to it. To do this, you should divide 450 by 450, and it cancels out because it equals 1. Now you have x equals 13.50. You should divide 13.50 by 4.50. This means that x is equal to 3. Mr. Gonzalez could buy 3 bracelets. Now you should do a check to make sure that your answer is correct. To do this, you fill in the variable with your answer into the new equation. The new equation should look something like this. You use order of operations to solve this. This means that multiplication comes first, so you multiply 450 times 3. This is equal to 13.50. Now you bring everything down. 29 plus 13.50 is equal to 42.50. This is equal to 42.50, which means that your answer is correct. Mr. Gonzalez could buy 3 bracelets.